What's up, family? Good to see you guys' faces again. Let's get into this and then we'll explain why I am doing what I am doing. But nonetheless, what you guys to do is go into your Google Ads interface and then you're going to click on the hamburger icon to expand your navigation menu on the left upper hand side. Once you click on that and expand the navigation menu, you want to click on Assets. And then I want you guys to go to the right hand side, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see a More Options feature. Click on these three vertical line dot icons, and then it'll open up your account level automated assets. We'll go ahead and click on that. And then again, I want you to duplicate that movement. Go back to the right hand side, scroll down to the bottom, and click on the More icon again. And this time you'll see Advanced Settings. Click on that. Now, this is a new account, so I figured it'd be a good time to give you guys a tutorial on this. But by default, you'll see that Google has your dynamic site links, your dynamic callouts, your dynamic structured snippets, all these features turned on automatically. What I want you guys to do is for instance, the first one, dynamic site links, click on it, click the off button, and then you'll see that there's going to be a caveat, like a message pop up, a warning message asking you to, consider removing your individual dynamic insertion links or your site links, etc., instead of just deleting them completely. What I want you to do is just click the save button after you click off, and it's going to ask you again, why do you want to do this? For me, I prefer to create my own. Now, what I've realized is that not only has Google made it really hard to find features like this is an advanced move. So I hope that you guys who are managing your campaigns for clients and for you new entrepreneurs that are having to build these campaigns yourself, I hope you find this video useful. But nonetheless, that's one thing you're going to see is that Google's hard at finding this, and then that they want to really stress that you keep these on because they want to take more control over your accounts and over your campaign build. So for me, I turn all these off because let's face it, a lot of you guys are hiring internal teams, hiring contractors and consultants to come in and copywriters to write these amazing callouts and these amazing site links and structured snippets and even headlines, and they're not being used. They're being overshadowed and overwritten by Google, and we don't want that, right? So you're going to go in and you're going to click off for all these. It's going to ask you for a reason, and you can click that you want to retain more control. And do that for all of them on here that are relevant, that you want to continue to have whatever it is you've created show versus what Google has created. Now, as you saw in the first one, the dynamic site links, as I turned it off, it asked me if I wanted to view these in the asset page. So it's a good time right now to go ahead and look at these automated assets that we have at the account level. So if you go to assets, again, you can click on like a site link or whatever it is that you want to look at. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see all the assets, all the site links or descriptions, whatever it is that you're using right now. So if you see right now under source, it says advertiser, but if these are written by Google, it's going to tell you, and then you'll be able to see what's actually serving. And if you want to go deeper into that, and I'll make more tutorials on these, if you guys are interested in this, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at EasySEMCo, or you can visit EasySEM.co, and then also email me at info@EasySEM.co, and I can help you guys out where necessary if it's something you want to partner on or whatever it is. But nonetheless, if you go into your ads, so under campaigns, and you click on ads, and then you click on your view asset details. Now, this is again, bear with me, this is a new campaign, so there's not going to be anything in here. But when I'm inside the ads menu item, if I click on combinations, I'll be able to see what's actually showing. And right here you can see, for instance, it says call out, verified DOT and MC fleet sizes, etc. So if this is something that's being shown by Google, I will see that right here, what's actually being shown. And I can say, hold on, wait a minute, red flag, this doesn't make sense because the context and whatever is taken out of place because it's still a computer versus the way that humans actually talk. So you want to make sure that this is very readable. But nonetheless, I hope this tutorial is great for you guys. It's good to see you all back. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I'll be dropping more gems and just taking you guys through on YouTube and on Instagram and everything else, my daily builds and client campaign management for other clients in my portfolio and what we're doing at EasySEM. So hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.